Bonjour. Good day, Madame Monsieur. This is the case scenario number one. I can best describe this as how to be a good leader or be an effective one. But before that, the team prepared a short video or a comic just to show y'all the scenario. So ayun, natapos na yung video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. So balik tayo dun sa scenario. Nakita naman natin yung group is having an argument. And pag may argument, may discrepancies. Pag may discrepancies, may hirapan tayong mag-work towards our goal. And also given sa scenario, si Vice President lang yung available. And as the second in line sa power, in leadership, ano kaya yung mga dapat niyang gawin as the Vice President of that group? Malalaman natin yan when we answer the prepared questions. Bye-bye!
Before we proceed to the first question, we need to know the challenges of the leader in the case scenario. First is staying neutral. So as a leader in the debate club, he needs to be fair and not take sides because they have personal connection or they know each other. Next is the group unity. Some members may take sides. So as a leader, he needs to remember the feelings of the members and he needs to prevent the situation to getting worse. So we will answer the question, which is the steps should John do to mediate the conflict effectively. First, John needs to step in since the president is not around. So as a vice president, he needs to prevent the situation to getting worse. And next is he needs to listen the statement of both sides to not jump into conclusion and to resolve the conflict effectively. And the last is making fair decisions. So kapag nag-decision ka, the leader should become to not create more tension in the surroundings.
So for our alternative strategy, first, talk to each member, makinig ng walang paghusga para maunawaan ang magkabilang panig. Group discussion, gumawa ng bukas at patas na discussion na may respeto sa bawat opinyon. Neutral role, manatili patas bilang leader, hindi kumakampi para sa fair na solusyon. Pagharap sa ugat ng problema, or address underlying issues. Clarify roles, magtakda ng malinaw na tungkulin gamit ang task list o plano. Build trust, magsagawa ng team building para mapatatag ang samahan. Encourage open communication, magkaroon ng regular na meetings para sa open discussions. Pag-iwas sa inaharap na hindi pagkakasundo, prevent future disputes. Create conflict resolution plan, gumawa ng proseso para sa maayos na pagharap sa alitan. Foster teamwork, hikayatin ang pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng teamwork at bonding activities.
So to answer the third question, kung ano yung bagay na leadership style sa mga ganitong situation, transformational leadership is the best one for this kinds of situation kasi especially heated argument. Transformational leadership emphasizes clarity and communication. It also leads us to positivity, listening to one another and gathering all of their ideas. And then, as a leader or the person in charge, yung mga ideas nila na compile mo, pwede ka na din mapag-set ng ideas mo din na kasama yung mga ideas ng group members. So, mamamotivate na din yung group members to work each other. And that reminds the team that why we are a team, that we need to work with each other para matapos natin yung goal or maging successful yung goal na what natin ma-reach.
Hi! So ngayon, nasa last part na tayo ng video and wait, there's more. So today, I'm gonna discuss the whole summary and conclusion of our scenario. In conclusion, John is effectively step on his role as a vice president. So bilang role ni John is as a vice president, parang siya yung nag-make ng way para mabigay yung tama and para magawa niya yung tama and malid niya yung team niya ng maayos. Tapos, aside that, pinakita naman sa video namin sa last, before the strategies, we have the comics, which is pinakita naman doon yung scenario ng debate nila dyan. So, therefore, yung kasi doon is they have heated argument for upcoming debate, the good thing that John make is, he offers solution, he implements strategies for the future collaboration of the team, and also John demonstrate a good and strong leadership for the conflict. Like, kumbaga, meron siyang pinakamalakas na leadership para to lead the group, and he also have a conflict resolution skill, which is, hindi niya, porket nag-away yung group, is hinayaan niya lang. As a vice president, he do his job to resolve those conflict and make the team recollide again. And in intervention is not only serve an intimate issue, kumbaga parang hindi niya aside sa hindi niya hinayaan, hindi niya talaga like ayaw niyang ipabukas or ayaw niyang gusto niyang agad, like ayusin, pag-usapan, which is papasok na doon yung ginawang strategy ni John is yung enforcement and the importance of communication, which is pinag-ayos niya yung dalawang team para mag-unite para mag-unite yung other team. And ayun po yung conclusion naman. I hope you enjoyed the video po. Thank you!